Alright, here's my KLX 2021 300R rear fender seat off, doing the pair valve plate. Need to get this piece off right there. That's the first step. Couldn't find a video on YouTube. Figured I'll try to do one for the specific 300R. And I'm totally doing stuff like this. Okay, there it goes. Got it off. That was right there on that. Here's the plug from the SmartMoto pair valve delete kit. Gonna put this on, use the same on there, and I'll use this clamp here. So this has a little this piece right here in the back of the radiator. Just push it up, lift it up, comes off the clamp like that. Cool. Now I gotta get this plate off here. Okay, here I got an 8mm socket. Go through the front. Right there. Other side as well. All right, I'm on the other side of the bike now. This piece came off. Everything I read on the internet is to put this on the new SmartMoto plate. This one right there. Only got two hands, so I had to get it started. Didn't have a third hand to hold the camera. Anyways, that screw right there. Our Allen wrench. The new bolts are Allen wrench. Tighten that sucker up. Uses a and then go to this side. Tighten this one up. Alright, and I just unplugged the wiring on the pair valve from here, and then from the kit, I just put that in its place. That's it.